So what we have here is the valance, and you see that there is a loop here, and we have the tube or spleen that's going to be inserted on each end here, and you're going to push that through until it hits right around the middle of your valance, or until you have, I'd say, about 2 inches of the spleen hanging out. What you want to do then is you want to go on the other end of the valance, and you want to insert the secondary piece of spleen or tube until they meet, and they're going to meet somewhere in the middle where you can detect that bend, and that's as far as you want to push it. You don't want to push it further than that, because then they'll take up the space and they'll overlap, and you don't want that overlap. You want them to meet and butt up against each other. When you get to your awning, you're going to notice that there's an end cap here which holds the valance, or it should hold the valance. What you'll do is you'll simply remove this end cap, and what you'll encounter now is a stopper. This stopper needs to be loosened here first, and then pushed out gently, so that you have a clear space to access this channel where the valance is going to go. And what you're going to do next is you're going to get your valance that you just inserted your spleen to, and then just guide that through that channel and push that all the way through until it's fully inset into that channel. Here's that break, which is fine. You just guide that through as well. And make sure that the secondary tube, just kind of push that through into that channel, and what you'll end up with is some extra here, which we're going to cut off. So now that it's in fully and the valance is secured in, I'm tugging on it here, you can see. We're going to cut this off. I already scored the spleen here with an X-Acto knife, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead, and with some standard scissors I can just go around, and then I should be able to just snap that off. Yeah, so it's very flush to the tip of that and front bar, and I'll just secure it in place so that it doesn't slide out with the plug that I took out originally, and then we'll go ahead and tighten that in there. Now the valance is stopped by one stopper here and another stopper at the other end of the front bar, and we'll go ahead and put our cap, and your awning should have a full valance that's not going to go anywhere.